Hello everyone, today I have the catladybox, but also for reactivating I got a little car license plate thing that I wanted to show you guys. So I'm going to show you guys that because my boyfriend's coming over and I'm going to have him put it on right away, so I'm going to unbox the actual catladybox later, but open this. This is what it looks like. So cute. Love it. So they suckered me into getting the catladybox again. I was thinking about it already because it's the April box and April's my birthday month. So I just got it mainly for the license plates. Anyways, I'll get to the unboxing later. Bye. Hello everyone. Today I have the April 2020 catladybox. This is what it looks like. You open it up. Have a little piece of artwork and what everything is and how much it retails for on the back. Then they have a little cat lady sticker on there. And then this is what everything looks like inside, stuff in there. The first thing I'm pulling out is this hat that says Meow on it. Looks like, feels like nice quality. This is what it looks like on. Kind of egg. Adjust it. Okay, that's on there better. And the next thing is a little green bag with what seems to be silicone cups in there. And yep, there they are. They have the same design on them as the bag did. What does they look like? A pink one and a purple one. I like the purple one better because I'm not huge on pink. And next we have one of the toys, cat toys, for cats. Loki's getting very interested in the box and me opening it. The catnip smell is very strong in this box. I'll give that to him. And then there is this wand toy. And so, oh, it gets bigger too. That's cool. It's like a little fishing rod, fishing for cats. And then they have extra little toys that go on there. That. And cord, and then that, and then it gets longer. It really is like a fishing pole for cats. But does this remind anyone else of something? They used to have these little worm-like fuzzy toys that had little eyes, and it was like a little worm snake type thing. Don't know if anyone else remembers those. I don't know if they make those still. And then the last thing in here was the sneak peek. And it is a little outdoor wire cat thing. I'm probably gonna give this to my aunt because she has an actual garden and she has a cat. But I might put that out front here. And okay, so the garden cat outdoor decor is an adorable outdoor kitty for your garden or porch. Made from iron, this cute cat is weather resistant and a fabulous way to perk up your patio. The retail value is $17.99. The Happy Cat Silicone wine glasses. Set of 2 silicone wine glasses with a Happy Cat design. These unbreakable glasses are the perfect for sipping outdoors and even fold up to fit in your pocket. Retail value is $19.99. And then the Meow Hat. Shield your face from the sun with this meowsing cap. Adjustable with a mesh back to keep your head cool while you look cat lady cool. And the retail value is $19.99. The Wiggle Worm Wand Toy. Your cats will love these wiggly worms. You get a few of them so that they can keep the potty going for a long time. And it retails for $7.99. And then the Velvety Succulent Catnip Toy. The sweet little succulent and filled with premium catnip and designed for batting and flinging around. It's handmade just for you. Retail value is $5.99. And the featured cat lady artist is Karen. I'm gonna butcher this name. It's right there. She is a Hawaii artist / illustrator who enjoys creating happy artwork inspired by the simple joys of life, especially cats. And you can see more of her work in her Etsy shop, www.ktoartstudio.etsy.com. And the theme for April was garden party, well, potty. And this is a little thing saying the next Cat Lady box is the annual Cat Moms Day box. Every May we celebrate you with a special box to celebrate cat moms. There and there. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.